My name is Frances Howard-Snyder, and I'm going to be your instructor for Philosophy 113, Philosophy of Religion. In this short video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what the class will be about and what the assignments will be and the format. So these are strange times and difficult and different times. I think they're a lot more difficult for some of us than for others. For me, they're not especially difficult, but this whole phenomenon of teaching remotely is new. So I hope you will be somewhat indulgent. I probably will make some mistakes, and I will try to be indulgent towards you as well. So we all have to remember to be kind to each other. So this class is called Introduction to Philosophy, Philosophy of Religion. So there's two goals here. There's the Introduction to Philosophy part, where we introduce you to what philosophers do, the kind of questions we ask, the kind of format in which we ask questions and answer questions. And then there is a focus particularly on the philosophy of religion. We have other introductory philosophy classes in the philosophy department, and they focus on different subject matter, but this one is about the philosophy of religion. So in particular, we're going to be looking into the concept of God as understood by the monotheistic religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, and we'll be focusing on the idea of God as the greatest possible being. So we won't be looking into all sorts of different religions, all sorts of different concepts. We're just going to focus on that concept, but it's one that's shared by about half of the world's population. So it's not a narrow concept. So we'll be looking into the question of what God is like. We'll be looking into the question of whether God exists, and then questions about religious experience, faith and reason, divine foreknowledge and human freedom, life after death, and a few other topics. The way in which the format for the class this time will be that I will upload a set of lectures each week. There'll probably be roughly 30 minutes of lectures per class session, and I will ask you to respond with some short assignments which will enable you to interact with the material and ask questions and answer questions and come up with your own ideas. I will have office hours available by Zoom where we can talk to one another. That'll basically be the format. The course requirements are: there's a final exam, and this is it's listed in the syllabus exactly what day it is. I don't want to forget exactly what day it is, but it's listed in the syllabus, and that'll be a 2-hour exam based on the entire class. Before that, there will be a quiz on the material we talk about in the first 2 or 3 days, and then there will be short writing assignments roughly each week, just very short writing assignments. And I'm basically interested to see that you're responding. It's not going to be super high standards for getting that right, but I do want you to take the time to respond to those. And I also have 10 points assigned for class participation, and that will involve you watching lectures and occasionally responding on the discussion board that I will also set up. So that's what the class is going to be about, and so let me know if you have any comments or questions, anxieties. Just feel free to email me or stop by my office hours next week. So thank you and goodbye.